How to get entire order for free on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get entire order for free on Temu. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Now you have different options here. You can basically choose any of these options. I'm going to select the Get 5 Items one. Tap on this. Once you tap this, you will be able to get 5 free items. So all you have to do is pick your favorite items. Then again, you want to pick your second favorite item. In the same way, pick the third and fourth free gift. Then finally, you want to pick your fifth free gift. Tap on Pick Gifts and Start Inviting option. Now you can invite your friends to Temu and get all of those 6 items for free, and in this way you can get the entire order for free on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.